Fat Bag by Gucci Mane. Just got a hook, so you gotta wait. Wanna have to push your cat back. I'ma push the kid back. I was on for a second, but the kid back. If you ever cross me, I'ma get some payback. Close the curtain on them haters in my Maybach. Put a hole in your motherfucking snapback. Alright. Profit in my business, so my flow is straight up gifted. Got you niggas straight losing it like all y'all just misshifted. You can't stop me, so you better keep on going, get lifted. I go hard, nigga, and I'm bringing on my straight shipment. I got them on my shit, so you know I'm playing Brickman. And I got everything coming in like a stickman. And every time you going hard, well, nigga, best of focus. Cause this game I'm going in, I'ma keep my aim on focus. Got them guns already on it like hocus pocus. Got the game on my hand, magician sipping potion. Got that lean codeine, that promethazine. You fucking with me, nigga, you was gon' fuck with a team that don't let nobody live and let nobody breathe. You want his crown back. Top, I'm just Mr. Top Bag. I was gone for a second, but the kid back. If you ever cross me, I'ma get some payback. Curtain on them haters in my Maybach. Put a hole in your motherfucking snapback. Man, bitch, so you can say the trap. Money is my hobby. Cushion in my lobby. You say we going hard, nigga, we can straight rob it. And I ain't even talking Robin Hood, I'm doing extra good. You say you got the stank, nigga, your shit drier than piece of wood. My shit go hard, and this game, you know me, it's thinking the whole damn crib. Where I live, I cut your eye and take your rib. If you saying you go hard, nigga, like see if you live. I've been doing this shit since concrete on the sibs. And trust me, I've been on it since the block started pawning. And you know I go hard to the day I start dropping, to the day I'ma go, to the day I start riding. So you know me, nigga, every day I'm always on topic. I don't wanna have to push your cat back, bitch.